Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Lightroom photos. If you have just edited the photos and don't know how to save it, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. Find the Lightroom app, now open it. Choose one photo that you want to edit. Now simply edit the photo however you like to add it. Just like this. You can add the color gradings to your photos just like this. And after editing the photo, here you can find the option of share button. Now select it, then tap on to save copy to device button right here, and your photo will be saved to your gallery. And that's it. This is how you can export the photos to your gallery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.